Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, welcome to my channel Rimsha decor. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the day of life. If you know about my YouTube channel or all like video, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and please make sure press the bell icon so you told any other amazing video like this one, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So guys, please watch this video to end. And where do you watch my video? Please tell me in comment box. Please like, share, comment on my YouTube video and subscribe my YouTube channel. So guys, I am back with another beautiful idea about cake designs in different styles, different color combination and different sizes. Here are some amazing, stylish, eye-catching cake decor ideas that suit both homeland and professional parties. I hope you enjoy my video. Most beautiful, most amazing and most creative designs. If you new my YouTube channel, then don't miss any other amazing video like this one, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. How do you decorate your cake with a beautiful way? I provide you simple idea for your cake that is most essential, that is most creative, that is most beautiful. All the designs look so attractive, so stylish, so amazing, so beautiful. Thank you so much guys for watching my cake designs. I hope you enjoy my video. If you are interested in these types of design, in these types of video, then please visit my channel for more videos, more ideas, for more decorations. I hope you like all designs, all decorations, all decorative ideas. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. Please like, share, comment on my YouTube video and subscribe my YouTube channel. All the designs are very unique and trendy. If you like more ideas, specific designs, then please visit my channel, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. These designs are very unique. You can use each design for any celebration, baby showers, bridal showers, groom showers, birthday, anniversary or professional parties. I hope you like this design with themed and color combinations. I am sure cake design from this video. If you like any designs, then take a screenshot of it and also do try my amazing and beautiful designs. If you want to see more make designs, then please visit my channel, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone. See you tomorrow with a new video. Until take care yourself and people around you. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.